Hello, and welcome to Acrylic. If you love painting with acrylics and also enjoy textured painting, this video is just for you. I made this textured paste myself. It's low cost and easy to make. First, I built up the canvas with textured paste to create a raised surface. I've put the tutorial link for this paste in the description. You can click the link and watch it. Remember to definitely check the description section because I've written there in detail what materials I used. Be sure to check the description section of the paste tutorial because I've written in detail there what materials I used. After applying the paste all over the canvas, I wait for it to dry before starting to paint. Now I dilute the brown paint with a little water and apply a base coat over the entire canvas. This helps the canvas absorb the paint better, so the colors cover the surface faster while painting. If you found this video helpful, we'd be happy if you could give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support really motivates us and helps YouTube recommend this video to other painting lovers. Thanks so much for being with us. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming tutorials. If you want to learn more, check out this video I've put here for you. I'm sure you'll love it.